Hey guys, going to do a quick video on how to convert a MKV to MP4. The way we're going to do this is with VLC Player. So I'm going to go into Google and type VLC Player. Select the link under videoland.org. And download VLC. And save. It's going to hit open folder or run, whatever browser you're using does it differently. Double click VLC. And select yes. Okay. Next, install. And I'll just speed up the video for this part because it takes a little while. Okay, now we're going to hit finish and run VLC. And continue. Alright, so I'm going to go to Media, open multiple files, add, and I'm going to find my video, which for me is saved in videos. Select my video, and then down next to the play button there's a little arrow. You can click on that and go to convert, and it will select a profile. So we're going to do the H.264 plus MP3, which has MP4 in brackets. We just want to have a quick look in the tools. Then we can see here that we've got MP4/move, and you can modify some of the parameters if you know what you're doing. Now I'm going to go to save, select my destination, which I'm going to leave it in the same place, but I'm just going to call it converted, and hit save, and then start. What you're now waiting for is the little bar to go across along the bottom here. Once that gets to the end, then the conversion is complete. So I'll be back in a moment once that's finished. Quickly finish this video before my battery goes flat. Click close, and the conversion is done. If we just go back into videos, then we'll now see that we've got the converted one. Alright, see you guys.